Hello guys! Ayan, mega love shoutout sa ating lahat. Thanks KB Vlog. Nandito tayo ngayon sa premiere ni BPIP Agnes de Romancos. Ayan, happy birthday BPIP. Thank you so much for inviting me here. Ayan, at BPIP mega love shoutout sa mga nandyan sa baba sa yung premiere na nandito sa premiere mo. Ayan, happy birthday and more birthdays to come. At good health kasama na yung family. At saka wish ko lang na bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng long life at saka good health. Ayan, para sa iyong family. Ayan, alam ko success na yung life. Ayan, at ngayon babatiin na lang kita ng happy birthday. Happy birthday BPIP. More candles to blow and more celebrations to come. Ayan, wala na akong ibang masasabi pa kundi happy birthday. Enjoy your day with your family because today your birthday. Ayan, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, BFF. Yan, you always may BFF. Yan, BFF ka talaga. Ikaw yung BFF ko. Ikaw yung supportive queen. Ayan, very supportive queen. Ayan, bye-bye. Thank you so much. I love you, BFF.